Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to open the font dialog box in Microsoft Excel. So get ready started. At first, you open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel document from the data. Then data from the text, the font dialog box from the sans font. Now select from the data. Now keyboard press from the control 1. Then show the open the font dialog box. Then any choose font. Now any choose change the color. Then any choose color and bold italic. Then any choose font. The cells. Now click for the OK. That's it. Then you show the open font dialog box from the sans font. So again, and the document. Now select from the text. Now keyboard first from the control on. Then show the open from the font dialog box. Then any choose font. Then any choose color. Now click for OK. That's it. Then I show the open font dialog box in Microsoft Excel from the sans font. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.